Hi, it's Garrett Goldencastle Caravans. Today I'm going to show you around this 2018 Coachman VIP 575. This model is 7 feet 7 wide bodied, so it's a nice and spacious interior. It features the full width panoramic window, as you can see, making the interior feel nice and light and bright. Just come with a trailer control system. Looks like it's had lots of servicing done over the years, as you can see. Some niceties like barbecue point, power point on the outside. It also comes with a fitted power touch motor mover system, so you're not going to have any issues reversing this model, for example. Inside, as I said earlier, it's really nice and bright. Care of that big panoramic window and also the big opening roof light window here too. Plenty of seating for 4 of you. Features the chest of drawers with pull-out occasional table and great storage you've got there too. Central kitchen, great storage going on, as you can see. Well equipped kitchen with 3 gas burners and the electric hot plate. It even comes with the Omni vent, which takes out the food smells and blows in cool air. Opposite, you've got this additional worktop, somewhere to put your TV and easy to use fridge freezer. As you walk through, you've got the fixed transverse island bed. They do slide out, making into a full double and offer great storage underneath. You can also access that space from outside if you wish to retreat. Space-saving sliding door to the washroom across the back. Good sized shower, wash basin, loo, etc. And this model features the Alde Central Heating system, so it will keep you nice and warm no matter the time of year. There you go, VIP 575, comes with a motor mover system. Any questions, please get in touch. Thanks very much indeed.